Oh, yeah? And what about all the great hitters that are on the Electabuzz?
Those guys aren't hitters. I've seen better swings on a playground.
Guess who's back? Steve.
Squirtle, return!
Is everything okay?
It's okay. It's working just fine.
I wasn't asking about your camera. I was worried about you.
But you see, this camera is my life. Get yourself a new life.
Guess who's back? Steve.
I hate the way she treats us, but I like the way she looks.
Yeah, not like some other girls who treat you bad and look even worse.
That girl's more beautiful than any flower I've ever seen.
What are you talking about, Brock? I don't see any beautiful girl.
Just turn around.
Misty, please, only one of us can hallucinate at a time.
Turn down for what?
All I think about lately is winning. I hope I'm not becoming heartless.
You were always heartless.
Come on, what say we forget the tournament and grab some lunch?
I think you'll be dining alone as usual.
Turn down for what?
It's that kind of invitation they invented lawsuits for! Chill out! We couldn't care less about you.
Guess who's back? Steve.
It's so gross. Ash, put that slimy thing back in the Pokeball! Bugs are one of the 3 most disgusting things in the world!
Aside from you, what are the other disgusting things?
Annie?
This must be a pretty dangerous town.
My picture's gonna be on posters when I'm a big famous star. Excuse me?
Maybe in horror movies.
Turn down for what?
We'll never get so desperate that we have to sink to Gary's level.
Even your Pikachu feels sorry for you, Ash. I've never seen anyone so pathetic.
Have you tried a mirror?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
I'll take care of these 3 clowns. That's pretty big talk coming from such a little lady.
At least you're right about the pretty part. Thanks for the compliment.
The girl thinks she's pretty.
I agree with her. I think she's pretty too. Pretty pathetic.
Let's go, Psyduck!
Now we'll see who gets the last quack.
Ha! Anyway, Psyduck and I are so cute we'll look good whatever fashion we wear.
I'm sure Psyduck will.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
This is a boring way to catch Pokemon.
Be quiet.
I could have gone out and caught 10 of them by now.
Will you please shut your mouth?
Don't you think we should give up?
Maybe we're using the wrong bait.
How long are we gonna have to sit here like this?
I know it seems boring, but if we're really quiet, maybe it'll only take another hour.
As long as you're quiet, I don't care if we're here another 2 hours.
Come back!
Oh, it's them again.
You'd better give back Pikachu or else!
Or else what? Why don't you twits just give it up already, huh?
No one likes a person who doesn't know when to quit.
Then that explains why everyone hates you 3!
Turn down for what?
Wow, I've never seen a Venusaur as tiny as that one.
It's an Ivysaur, May. Guess that's why.
To be or not to be the greatest actress of them all, now that is the question.
Whether she's lost her mind is the question.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G.
Check out my Robo Baby Buggy Berry Robbing Swipe the Sweets and Make Our Own Treats Artillery Mark III!
Huh? That's such a creative name.
You would think that.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
And I'm wondering why that Flabebe landed in Bonnie's hair.
Oh, that's easy. Because my hair's as beautiful as a flower thanks to Serena. Am I really that pretty? All right, I guess I am.
I see. The reason Flabébé landed on Bonnie's head wasn't because she looked pretty. It thought it saw its favorite flower. That makes sense. It's always better using scientific reasoning. Guess who's back?
Still doing that, Andre?
I think Ash is trying to dance.
All right. Yeah. Dancing? He looks like he's losing.
Look at me, I'm a boss like my rose. Shorty asked me for a check, I told that I know way.
And also, I hope my brother finds someone who's cute and smart to take care of him, and soon.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
It's an automatic berry opener. Inspiration Plus.
Seems like a waste of time. Why build that?
It's the one and only Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
It's a Pikachu! Pikachu retrieval device?
You get no points for good name.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Hey, you said you knew where you were going and we're totally lost now. Where do we go? Well, if you're so smart, why don't you be the one to decide? That's a good idea. I'll find a way out of here. Come on, Misty, let's go. We're waiting for your directions. Don't rush me, Ash. I just have to think. Well, this is going to be a brand new experience for you.
Guess who's back?
Still doing that, Andre?
There's no room in our Pokemon school for losers who don't even know Pidgey's evolved stage. We have to maintain standards.
I don't know about this school of yours, but if it's turning out students like you, I'd have to say the standards are pretty low.
Turn down for what?
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Two of us are gonna get along just fine. See?
Ow!
Oh, I forgot to mention. Since I'm the one who raised it, this hoot-hoot only gets along with pretty girls.
Oh, is that right, Hoo-Hoo? Do you like pretty girls?
Too bad there aren't any here.
Turn down!
Shots fired!
Yes! My first Univ-Region Pokemon! I caught a Pidgeot! We did it! We did it!
Whoa! You're that excited about catching a little Pidove? What a kid!
Still Snoop Dogg and D.R.E.
Guess who's back?
Still doing that, Andre?
Oh, for sure.
Well, if you just try hard enough, things will work out, won't they?
No, Ash, I'm afraid things won't just work out if you try hard enough. The Pokemon trainer's judgment is more important than anything else, and unfortunately for you, the trainer has to have a brain!
Still Snoop Dogg and D.R.E.
Guess who's back?
Still doing that, Andre?
Flint!
My father.
Huh? You mean you're the good-for-nothing father who left home and never came back?
Look everywhere! Call the fire department!
They're on their way!
Of course not. Enjoy yourself.
Our friends have gotten off track. Just a bit.
I just can't go one step further. We've been looking for Vermilion City for 10 whole days!
There's a bug right on your...
Get it away!
It was just a piece of grass.
impossible! There's not a thing science can't prove, including this!
Then why don't you stop acting so scared already?
Turn down for what?
An Electabuzz fan, huh? No wonder you're so full of energy.
But don't the Electabuzz always finish in last place?
This season's gonna be different. This season they're gonna win the series.
No way! The Electabuzz will get creamed by teams like the Magikarp and the Starmie.
You quit saying bad things about the Electabuzz. They're gonna beat everybody.
The Electabuzz couldn't beat an egg.
Oh yeah? And what about all the great hitters that are on the Electabuzz?
Those guys aren't hitters. I've seen better swings on a playground.
Eevee! Hey, I know what! Let's go train!
You talk way too loud.
Later, bye! Miette sure seems ready to go.
Viga! I'm ready to go too!
Right, that's the spirit, Serena.
Ash can be so dense.
Bonnie, what are you talking about?
Of course, you're the same.
Turn down for what?
Are you the... you're not that beautiful.
Who's not beautiful? Beware, not of an old beauty like me, but a beautiful young woman, or you'll meet a cruel fate.
Ah, that girl on the rock. I have to meet her.
I must be the beautiful girl she's talking about, but I'd never hurt Brock.
I was talking about an elegant young woman, not some scrawny little blabbermouth like you.
Turn down for what?
Time is money, James. So's water.
Can't you hurry?
Can't you shut your trap? There must be something jammed in the line here. You'll never believe what I just found.
What, your brain?
However, for some unknown reason, a small group of people in Pokemon were totally immune to our hypnotization. And to that group, the hypnotized people in Pokemon curiously have the appearance of being Behem.
Small group of people? We're a small group.
Well, if you mean us, why didn't it have any effect?
I'm afraid idiots are hard to hypnotize.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Why don't you just pretend you're a tree and leave?
Ooh, funny. Who told you that one, Professor Oak?
Thanks for the advice.
This is dangerous, going out in a storm like this to help a Pokemon. What if we all catch pneumonia?
Well, nobody asked you to follow along.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down.
You're just not beautiful.
This sounds kind of familiar, doesn't it, Misty?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
The water's cool.
And the beach is hot.
Hey!
Huh?
I thought you guys were gonna wait for me by the snack bar. How's the water? What's wrong? Why are you looking at me like that?
It's just weird to see you looking like a girl. Nobody's here.
Oh, I know I heard something back there.
Listen, Misty, it's okay if you're a total chicken.
Woo!
Alice! Excuse me, but are you by any chance the oddball in your family?
Shots fired! And once again, they've lost their way.
So this is the way to Saffron City, huh, Misty? I knew we shouldn't have listened to you. Now we'll never get out of here.
As if your sense of direction's so bad you can't find yourself in a mirror.
You crap mirror!
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Oh, this could be a trick.
It's probably another illusion.
You think so?
Of course. Have you ever seen anything this scary, even in your dreams?
Guess not. Something that ugly only shows up in my nightmares.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Hey! Get out of there!
A forest Pokemon, Rattata. It likes cheese, nuts, fruits, and berries.
Yeah, but this isn't a forest. It's an open field.
It also comes out into open fields to steal food from stupid travelers.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse!
James.
Team Rocket, blast off at the speed of light.
Surrender now. Or prepare to fight.
Your routine's so boring, Snorlax will go into a deeper sleep.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
How long are we gonna have to sit here like this?
I know it seems boring, but if we're really quiet, maybe it'll only take another hour.
As long as you're quiet, I don't care if we're here another 2 hours.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
You're the one complaining about everything. Why don't you be quiet? But now it's obvious that I'm gonna have to use something drastic to get one.
What are you gonna use, Misty?
My secret weapon. Introducing the Mini Misty More.
It looks like her.
Isn't that gonna scare the Pokemon?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
You're about to see the dazzling technique of Misty, the Water Pokemon Master.
Hey, since when are you a water Pokemon master?
Snubble, the fairy Pokemon. While it may appear gruff and grumpy, deep down Snubble is a kind and caring Pokemon.
It must be kind and caring way deep down.
Snub. You better let an expert handle this.
Snubble?
You won't snub me, will you, Snubble?
Hey, look! Pink ribbons.
I guess that makes this Snubble a girl.
Snubble.
I guess you are, huh? A grumpy girl who's not afraid to chase Pokemon. That reminds me of Misty in a way.
We can't rest now. We've got to find Brock.
Right! Hurry up! Huh? Whoa! How'd you get down there?
I fell in. How else? What's a trap doing here?
It seems pretty strange.
Just help me out, quick!
This is just not our day.
Only bad guys try to capture sick Pokemon.
But are those traps tough enough to keep robbers away from this place? I mean, you'd have to be pretty stupid to fall into one of those holes.
It was a close call.
I don't think it's funny. You could have hurt my Togepi. Now apologize.
I'm sorry. Please don't be mad. It makes that pretty face of yours look like a tentacruel.
A tent? I only wish I could be that pretty. It's hard to believe, but some people actually think Tentacruel are really nasty looking.
Misty, I think this guy is one of those people.
I bet you could even beat AJ.
AJ?
Yeah, he lives over there. AJ trains savage Pokemon. He built his own gym. He's never lost a single match.
Until now. He hasn't come up against somebody like me.
He's getting a big head.
Yeah, but his brain's still the same size.
Team Rocket, prepare for trouble. On second thought, make that double.
To protect the world from devastation?
To unite all peoples within our nation?
Maybe you think I'm a little too brash, but the master is here, and my name is Ash.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I.
Give us back our Pikachu! Sure, soon as you grow up!
You're not really the gym leader, are you?
Of course I'm not silly. Can't you see I'm just a kid?
That know-it-all! I'm gonna find a Pokemon fossil before Gary even starts digging. That'll show him who the real loser is.
I don't feel right about digging up old Pokemon fossils, especially after they've been resting in the earth for such a long time.
If they've been lying underground for thousands of years, maybe they'd like a little fresh air.
I think it's your brain that needs fresh air.
Turn down!